Cadet Midshipman Americar. This is my answer for the question that you gave. The Internet of Things has the potential to revolutionize the maritime sector by improving efficiency, safety, and sustainability. One of the key applications of IoT um, in the maritime industry is to remote a monitoring and diagnostic of vessels by equipping ships with sensor and connected devices. Ship powers and operators can track the performance of their vessels in real time and receive alerts in case of any issues. This proactive approach can help prevent breakdowns, minimize downtime, and ultimately increase the reliability of maritime operations. Additionally, IoT is enabled to predictive maintenance can also help reduce a maintenance cost and lifespan of a ship's assets. Another important application of IoT in the maritime sectors is in the field of fleets management and logistics by leveraging IoT technologies such as GPS trackers, data analytics, and connectivity. Shipping companies can optimize routes and increase fuel efficiency and reduce emissions real-time. Data on the weather conditions, sea states, patterns can also help vessels avoid delays and unforeseen obstacles. Furthermore, IoT can enable better coordinations and communications among different stakeholders in the supply chain, leading to the smoother operations and improve overall performance. Overall, IoT has the potential to transform the maritime industry by improving productivity and enhancing the sustainability of the maritime operations. And that's all. This is my video um, video activity that you gave. That's all. Thank you.